Hey everyone, if you are a DTC brand, cross-border seller, or crowdfunding project creators to shipping European Union, you want to listen closely. Starting July 1st, 2026, the European Union is rolling out major policies updates for low-value imports. This means European Union fulfillment costs will no longer just depend on product value. Instead, correct HS codes, detailed SKU descriptions, and your order structures will now dedicate your custom clearance and your final costs. Now, I know regulatory updates can cause some anxiety, but the good news is ChinaDivision has you completely covered. We are rolling out our European Union compliance and fulfillment support program instead of just putting the all extra surcharges to you. ChinaDivision is actually absorbing a huge portion of the operational and compliance expense during the transition. For multiple SKU orders, we are using a smart routing optimization to minimize your costs, rather than just adding a flat surcharge. And if you are wondering, no, cross-border direct from shipping from China is not that. The future is a smart hybrid model, combining China fulfillment warehouse and the European Union warehousing and optimize the routing. So what do you do right now? The most critical step is joint data validation. Please work with your team to view all your core SKUs and HS code by July 25th to avoid any custom delays. This will no need to pause your orders or blindly move your inventory to other place. We are now with every step with you, reaching out to your dedicated account manager today, and let's navigate this transition successfully together.
ChinaDivision, your global logistics partner.